Hoover Air Cordless Handheld Vacuum powers through cleaning with fade-free, cordless convenience. Powered by our Lithium Life battery system, everyday cleanups around your home are quick and easy. Use the crevice tool to get into tight, hard-to-clean spots with ease. Or attach the motorized turbo tool to pick up hair and debris on furniture or stairs. And with a long-running battery and large-capacity dirt cup, you can get the job done with fewer interruptions. Plus, it fits into our Air Cordless 2-in-1, sold separately, for extra versatility to clean carpets and hard floors. The Air Cordless Handheld runs on the same technology that powers our full-size vacuums. You can even use the same battery from other Hoover Lithium Life cleaners in this one. And we've protected your purchase with a 2-year limited warranty that covers not only your cleaner, but also the battery that powers it. The Hoover Air Cordless Handheld. Powerful, versatile, cordless.